we're at Fluffy's. We got sun today. Yay! We didn't have much sun yet. We had some sun yesterday, but not much. So sun today. And I didn't see any other cat around the area, so far it's just fluffers for breakfast. Doesn't mean they won't show up, but right now I don't see them.
Yeah, I'm seeing that.
We have Collie here at the Lutheran Church this morning. We hadn't seen her for several days. That happens, so we don't worry about her. She comes and goes. But she's here today, going to have food. So just put the food down. Nobody gets hurt. Patiently waiting. Says it'll be okay when you leave. Just like that. She was ready to eat. Okay, we'll leave her to it. As we are approaching the entrance to Alviso Adobe Park, we have what looks to be maybe Missy on top of the roof of the church that's next door to the park. kind of light pole across the street from the Lutheran Church on Calaveras Boulevard. We have a red-tailed hawk. How nice that it's facing us. And if this is from the same pair that we see around Alviso Dobie Park, this would be the female. I just don't know that that's the case. We do have other red-tailed hawks in the area, so we're almost to the Lutheran Church. This could be a different hawk. Could be the Poppy Lane red-tailed hawks, I guess. One of them. And the hawk is over there preening. And the church is over there. Okay, we are across the street over next to the Lutheran Church on the corner of Evans Road and Calaveras Boulevard, looking at that same red-tailed hawk that's preening on the light standard across the street from the church. Pretty certain this is Poppy Lane red-tailed hawks, as well. Poppy Lane is right next to the church. Just figured since I was a little bit closer, I would go ahead and do another video. The hawk is still over there. We're going to head on our way. And Fluffy's making her way over to her area on the fence top. Come on, Fluffy! And now down. Off the fence. Fluffy! Look, Fluffy took a long time to get here. She was on the fence top. Came down, and then we didn't see her for several minutes. Grey Tabby's here. Jay's over talking to her.